All right, so we're back digging through the AI agent store listings again.
Yep.
And we've found one today that it really makes you kind of question the whole category. It's called APIx420.
Oh, absolutely. The second I saw that listed as an AI agent, I thought, okay, hold on. Is this just marketing? Or is there something actually autonomous going on here?
Right.
And I think the main insight for you listening is that it's not really an agent, not in the way we usually think about them. It's critical infrastructure.
Infrastructure.
Yeah, paper call, API gateway, and this robust model context protocol server that's built for other agents to use.
Okay, let's break that down then. The listing says it has over 100 real-time data endpoints. That's a huge toolbox.
It's massive.
And it's accessible through standard HTTP and this Model Context Protocol, or MCP, server. Why is that MCP interface so important?
Well, an MCP it's like a major upgrade from a standard API call. It lets the calling agent package its entire operational context, not just the data request, and send it over.
So it's not just asking, what's the price of Bitcoin?
Exactly. It's more like, I'm trying to execute a trade. If the price hits X and the network fees are below Y, here's what I know so far. It makes the response so much more tailored.
And more efficient for the LLM, I'd mentioned.
For sure, it cuts down the context window overhead.
And the data it offers is pretty wild. It's got all the deep Web3 and crypto stuff, prices, gas fees, DeFi stats.
Right, which is a high-value use case. An agent could use that to monitor gas fees and then, intelligently execute a transaction only when they drop.
All within a single context.
All within that one MCP call. But then you also have the general utilities.
Yeah, I saw that. Weather, news, but also some really technical network tools like DMRC, SPF, and DKIM validation. Why would an agent need that?
Well, think about an agent that manages your email or communication workflows. It needs to be able to verify that an email is legitimate, that it's secure.
So it moves beyond just fetching data. It's about workflow integrity.
Precisely. It's a technical backbone for developers, for AI engineers, quant researchers.
Which brings us to the weird part. The autonomy score is listed at just 27%. So if it's just infrastructure, why is it even in the agent catalog? Is that just a buzzword thing?
I think that low score is the entire point. It confirms it's purely reactive. It's not the driver of the car. It's the engine and the GPS system waiting for instructions.
Okay, so that really defines the use case for a developer listening to this.
It does.
If you need to give your agent structured real-time data, this is a way to do it. And it's all paper call with USDC micropayments.
Which is perfect for prototyping. Your costs map directly to usage. No subscriptions, just granular control.
And it solves that API key sprawl problem, right? Instead of juggling dozens of different vendors and keys.
You get one consolidated foundation. It's a huge logistical win.
So the big picture here, what this really shows is that even low autonomy infrastructure is now being packaged and sold inside the agent ecosystem.
The whole system is becoming interconnected. These services are becoming utilities.
Like electricity for AI.
Exactly. Which raises a really interesting question for you to think about.
Go on.
If these specialized, low-autonomy pay-per-call tools become the absolute foundation for every smart, high-autonomy agent out there.
The building blocks?
The building blocks, yeah. Then how might that super granular pricing model affect the overall cost and the complexity of this whole new AI economy?
That's definitely something to think about. You can find more info on tools like this over at agentstore.ai. Thanks for joining us, and please do take a moment to rate this conversation.